Searching for money, yeah. Searching for money, yeah. Nebia enya ngofie, nebia enya ngofie. Yo si akwa dia dia. Very.
Bro, tum, come on, tum. What's up? Man, the cafe feel about some second one there. Huh? What's up? Bro, and this is not a matter about secret drew. When you secret drew, it's all about one is bet, bro. One is bet. Boys now, when they did that car, move, chika, or town, yes, secret drew. Almost secret and one is bet. One is bet. Yes, of course, one is bet. You hear so a file phone, no Google Play Store and an App Store. No download one is bet. No register with promo code WINRICH. And only code I'll bet me the disc here. And when you just send back to home, we start register now. Minimum 300% bonus. Kuno, wow, dear. And he just send back to be messed up when he said, what do you see? Can you chat crown and win the boy? Almost like me refund, you see, 10% amount on paying up a day. Wow, baby. Sally, one discount put it in Amonia Bando and I'm on fan download the hours. I mean, wow. No. Many guys, young papa, good outside, young said, such money you day paper, no be city so dollar.
Students of today, gangsta, aka. You man who ain't tinty, a man for quick keys. Oh, yeah, we be a man simple, AKABENEZER. I don't know, so child, they're French, and so on tailor, I say, what we like on, the only man who a kong kong, a pair of our phone, tell you what the enam womb, thou petty enam womb. I go forward, this school man, I was so. Branching is why I want to hear this young person. And I'm for pa. I wanted to want them. Like it. Oh, the students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie. Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo. Yeah, students of today. Yeah, students of today. Yeah. I go sing kwa, this year no dear Debbie. Messi, I go sing kwa, this year no dear Amumpo. Yeah. The man and me part this year, I could feel brown or mobile. Your back can be our monfa. Your moya no more. It's 940 and then again. Chichiku and a shift. Stop on boy. Oh, me check your day. Oh, me see me go check your day. I didn't. Vision. I did vision. I didn't. Vision. I could move. I didn't company for. What now, Becca? Everyone wants me 2 for boy who house the winty. Me mother put a own boy in tea. Still the Swedish, Yakasacha winty. Kasacha one tea. A vision, your bema papa, tea. One, John, you found me soon a call. You found me from one can say before, and you answer better say, yeah.
Jessila, maybe me throw behind my near beer, what I say. Me here near me been and person the 2 and I'm a so one because we be a during the one boy mare and your cry.
And then, oh, yeah, then, how could you be at the end?
We were could be at the same, so if you school, I mean, Sunny money Monday, and you're like, what I say.
So, what's wrong with you?
My friend bidding is a cat to woman, mamma semi fan to woman. What I say, no baby, J, they are baby. What you say, bet a time soon so baby scanner, me call baby, I'm this can to one. Meaning, say, Obina by your inside on my baby pescano.
So, when I can say, because they can answer you in a hurry, so, what's the name?
Me say, my friend bidding is a come, me say, me fan to woman. No baby, time is soon over, you know, scanner disappear with them or me who scanner. And then I also frame and doing you may not smoke and so my police for the family.
It disappear.
What I say?
That's what I'm doing for.
Oh, sinabuga. Ya buga. Blah. Me. Hey. That's what's wording on. Blah. I don't know Jordan. Where Michael Jordan? No, you Michael Jordan. What's what? You're not over there.
I'm to your friend.
Jina ninchen. Sa wo why on so stubborn. The same make us Oh, chon ho na kire me. Tuya. Tuya wo de tuya. Jina wo de on kan, jina wo tuya.
Chen. Sikanaira
wo de mo.
Adan obi sama bi be fai ana honhom bia be wia.
Mean to mention. Once I many bra boy rich and I inside or many maybe so first kabia. You say me hu dia me hu. Please case you see baby I'm a draw school and fan me dress and be family akotum be life na e be say.
Ze be fa we nya hwe. Kodem for some 2 years bi ni you say where do na yen hwe ana
many Abraham can say
me my suggestions ebia no so because they all can answer me intense.
Base can I left with them or me my scan me hu.
We serious.
Scan 2000.
What? 2000. 2000. Train. 2000 what?
2000 cedis.
Wow. Na prison de obenya akọ.
No so there.
Sure, for say kasa. Na worry. Woni school ma bi on. Me say. Na wo fam wani na wo gina wo to. Hey.
Say me to think betum na.
Wo to say betum na nka antum. Bra ben me. Na tiwanim na men kasa na na wana chama za ade no mko peke kwa say na ate muno betesa kwa si asem say sa mo na we ahanu nyina asa wono awo na wo fomu eni wo me no kasa wasomo no wa hu na so nyane
na me dwale o me dwale
abu wa dwale anka we da tirim me kasa say ya wo masa we are from when you we den kura so makura untumi o what you say fancy chi ba me hade
be ni me say chi
fancy chi bla na me hade
me hade ma yo den ya obo me say no so there
fancy chi bla na me hade trying kabeti poa kama tu sorry ko and clicking it musumu jino ere pete mura honom o sa ge na odi ase no o ka sa o tiri mana do be ka bia so sa wai
o so se no di agra na ase de o ye your name star bi we ya me kind na me kind
asama bana be pe bia ka choka ni prison e menya ko
nti say o ka twa me say me mboa o
boa me na nti we untumi mboa me
na say me sheda ni ska.
Come on, don't share any scarcity. So Papa was scar.
Papa was scanting. I'm Papa was scar. So okay, the imagine. I don't know. To see, I mean, the way I may see their pay scan, but so dear, Mamma bear 1 month.
The pandemic cast some saying me, I'll be police. I'll be family someone 1 month.
I don't know you're in so they know in Diago.
Baby, I didn't drink your grass. I also bore me. I mean, scan the command. Send a beyond me, man, match me. What I say?
It's okay. Are you crying? Come on. It's okay. You give me 2 days, or let's say 3 days, 4 days. I'll just get it for you.
Are you sure?
Hey, so when I'll be a cat and I want to watch it. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm somehow sure. You don't worry.
Okay? For me to say 2 days time, no,
just let's pray about it. Okay. Come on, chill. Let's pray, okay? By 2 days, I'll call my dad and see if...
Okay.
Are you okay now? Let's go and get something.
What are we going to eat?
Anything.
Anything.
Not... Hey! Hey!
Are you ready?
Hey!
Are you ready to order
Hey.
my favorite food?
Let's go.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Hey! You walk outside and see. Hey, close your ear. Close your ear. Who said close your ear? I said close your eyes. He said close your ear. Fine, and home on.
It's me.
What?
If you say we should know home until you see any of the Yankasa. Send a woman then you walk on Sunday. You haven't committed. You haven't commented. We've been this so quite tonight the one who come and say that it is not you. No, no, can say teacher in French, dear Musano.
We are seeing our buy. Just so they won't have it that they be always so be.
Honestly, won't take French in here.
Yeah, we show be what contractor say.
So, like,
yes,
what is happening?
Oh, I'm just getting small punish.
It's a big punish. He said you should not breathe. I mean,
do you call this a small punishment? It's small.
It's a big.
Do you breathe? Yeah. Then why you tell not to breathe?
I'm not breathing. He said I'll stop breathing.
Hey, shut up!
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Stand up.
Hey, madam.
What?
Boom shake.
Stand here. What kind of dressing is this? Why have you dressed like this? That's an improper dressing. Do you know that?
No, madam.
Okay, so dress properly in front of me.
In front of you.
Go back, not right here.
Okay.
Stay over there.
Okay, madam.
Hurry up. I don't have much time. It's not properly. Just put the other side inside. Hurry. Make sure you dress properly each and every time, okay? Before you get in front of me.
No, madam.
Okay, I called you here because I've been receiving a lot of complaints from the other students, especially the junior sections. Why have you been bothering them each and every time?
Madam, the way you are speaking, you know...
What do you mean the way I'm speaking?
If you come down for me, break it down. Come to my level.
Your level?
Yeah.
Aren't you a senior in the SHS?
My senior, madam.
Yes.
So, like, what exactly did you do for you to punish them? Hey, excuse me, Mr. These two boys, they didn't get respect any teachers. You don't respect your friends. Hey, no, me. Shut up! What are you telling me?
It's a lie. We respect
everybody. Shut up. She did any girl with small respect. You don't respect any teacher.
Master, we are not do that. Master, let me explain. You came to our class to teach us. The whole class didn't understand what you taught us. So they decided to choose two of us to come explain the things to you.
Hey!
So,
No, allow them to shut up! Let him speak.
Master, when you come for 1 month time, from the start you come to the school, everything you teach, you don't understand. Every topic, no here. All the school members, from 1 month you come, every day come, you shine your shoe, and it's stop. Or they support you training, and you come. No listen.
I'm surprised. Did you really hear what they said? Oh, they said, Headmaster, these two boys, they are lies.
In French.
These two boys, in je vois. Je vois.
Every day je vois.
That whatever you said was a lie.
Master, it's a true thing. It's a true But if you go to our class and you ask what the class members, they will tell you.
But you never reported this issue to me. Have you done that?
Master, we came to him and tell him, but he say when you come to you beat us.
So you
shouldn't come. You should kneel down.
Lucky. That is the complaint they are giving to me. Who gave you complaint? The complaint they are telling me is.
Oui, j'avoue. Oui, j'avoue, ils voient. Oui, j'avoue, ça va. Why is it? Oui, ça va. Comme papa savait. Comme papa savait.
No, but
comme papa savait.
I know very well that the CV you brought to me shows clearly that you are a French teacher. I can't deny it, but whatever they are telling me, I have to show respect to their decision.
But you have to also devoir French, respect French teacher.
Based on their salary, based on their school fees, that makes me to also pay you. So I have to listen to their comments.
Je vous vois.
So it means whatever.
Master, if what you are saying, if you believe you yourself, what he speak, are you understand?
I don't understand whatever he's telling me.
You don't understand my
No, I don't understand the French. I classify them as dubious.
Where you learn the French from?
So
I don't know.
So is that what you've been teaching the class? This dubious French language?
He's serious.
Every day, master, when they come 1 month, whole month, every day you vois. Every day you vois.
Master, you just listen, he's come to see.
Ah, tu vois?
Master, you see.
Ah, madam, those boys no more no last meeting Diana. Ah, watch here maybe I find watch here this thing the one they was watching. But oh to tini I know two adiano adia England or what you have to that been.
Yes.
And I'm to the top and I'm say Debbie.
Okay. So he threw it on the floor.
Yeah.
You saw it over there.
Yeah,
and then you asked him to do what? Pick it up.
I'm a cousin one sister, but I also know person trim when I'm here day.
Well, that wasn't a bad thing to tell him. Do you understand?
Yes,
it was a good thing you were telling him to do, but you shouldn't be harsh on them. Listen, they are in here to study, so you need to just help them and assist them, but not to trouble them or maybe make them in such a way that they wouldn't be happy in the school.
I'm not troublesome everybody in the school.
You know, I've been receiving a lot of complaints, just as I told you earlier on. It's not just them. The other students do complain too.
I have two boys.
So next time, kindly do it in a way that they wouldn't be maybe upset with you or something like that.
Okay, madam, I get you.
Okay, so why do you have bushy beard?
Pardon?
Why do you have bushy beard?
Bushy
and also
beard.
with your hair too. Why is it too bushy? Of course.
Hey, Mpacho, madam, wait here. My bush your phone in a few minutes and I can't also be in a Rastaman phone here.
But you need to cut it short.
This is serious. You go back to your class.
Monpé.
Thank you.
Come on, mon père.
Ça fait.
On le voit, ça
Monsieur.
C'est like this is getting out of hands. Is that what you've been teaching?
But excuse me, my sir. Don't ever incite me. Don't ever you disguise me in these two ways.
I never disgraced you. I was only trying to put things in order. No,
is
is there one or is a threat? If I catch you, is there a warning you are giving to us a threat?
It's not threat. I'm just giving you advice.
Then mind your words, because you need to know very well I'm your headmaster. Whatever I say should be fun now. You can't be teaching them with those rubbish French that you've been speaking.
Who told you it's a rubbish French?
I don't care. I don't care.
Who told you
it's the wrong French.
Say you can't understand me?
It's not I don't understand, but it's the issues. Whatever you're telling them is dubious.
It's too very radically French.
I respect you so much.
And me too, I respect you
and
so
respect
much.
is all about reciprocal. Have that in mind. If you respect, I also respect. But if you don't respect whatever you're doing, you see the other side of me.
Excuse me, Mr. Don't ever insult me. What did you make?
Are you warning me?
I'm not warning you.
Then what are you doing?
But I'm just giving you advice.
Can you advise me?
Yeah, well, yes, of course.
Seleki, I've given you an ultimatum, but if you don't take it,
Sana Odeba on. Sana Odeba.
see the other side.
Mais c'est vous. J'avais de ma boîte. Je m'appelle Troquat Exi. Je m'appelle Zivoire.
Your
Ma
friend.
big class, I'm on show. Yeah, officer, schoolmaster, say, and it's French, it's French. But when you're for, and I'm a French, it's a young down. Family back, I will live in this school.
No, but
I will live in this school.
No, calm down. It's not that I'm trying to embarrass you publicly, but the issue is you need to calm down. These are the statements the boys are telling me. At least I need to also share their grievances.
For 4 boy, hey, me I'm for 4 boy here there. What?
Come to my office so we talk.
I will come to your office.
Come to my office so we talk. Right over. Okay, so I'll put things in order.
Me teaching DJ Driver French. and you talk rubbish. Excuse me, Mr. Officer. Hide myself, excuse me. And you talk rubbish and you destroyed me and these two fucking boys in your front there.
You can have bushy hair like this in the school. That's not right. It's improper.
It's proper.
No, it's not.
Sorry, madam, I beg
and also with the beard too. You need to get to the barber and shape it down.
Hey, madam.
Speak English. I'm speaking English with you.
I say if you come earlier, you let something
just
come
listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself.
But madam, you two don't you speak Chi. Me, I can speak Chi than you.
So
you can't speak.
We are in a school. You speak Chi when you just get to the house. When you're in school, you speak English.
Okay, madam.
Okay, let me tell you something. You are in the school to study, to better yourself for future, and to get grades, so that when you're out there searching for job after school, you'll be able to what? Sometimes I just don't understand. It's as if you're in the school for fun.
No, I mean I have fun in my house, so I'm okay with that. School, I'll find here.
Get away! Go out of my sight. Go.
Next time.
Naughty guy. I just don't understand why sometimes the students just misbehave like that. Especially this particular guy.
Oh. Hey, Josephine. Mother cinema coins the acoposa for the moment in the hospital.
Hey, sir. Never understand.
Hey, man, you talk about just one thing.
Me too.
When your sister I found a Joan.
Sister Joan, brain will come out some.
Sister Joan, and who Tietian, Nihu Kru Webisana, the skin no me.
Ah, Sister Joan.
Messi, what is your dating? Maconzi.
School Munya Hania, or behind him say, Maconzi girl and Sister Joan.
And your boy and your friend is sacking over from one. Worry.
Hey,
I worry. Say, why anything Maconzi is talking about, or is it down a hospital?
good afternoon. Senior.
Spendy. Genesis are panicking life for me.
But show me parents on my street.
Would they trust me, but only Spendy and I'm doing, I'm sure you're not moving on our dog when I was only on and I'm so sound coming in life and then
Yes, I'm afraid.
Listen.
The authority of this school that they allow that.
You are so coming and enemy catch you. My cat was some before us and me catch you out to catch you. There are some who say how.
But your school, my way will be say baby waiting. I'm having a papa
spend it out. I'm in class and we are that one. My men second, but even be good. The manipulation, maybe mammy has seen. What could spend it? We school one on the free school on what policy car. On one penny car to see me school. Free headmaster to be school. Just school crowd be so good. Pierre zero mammy spend. Me no go bien when I spend my class and for your bar. Say you all fine. If we are so many do be we are school be show no be at 12 months. I don't have any better one. Hey, you say you sing and me no want to make us and can them some to me bossy.
Hey, na me play em pony na me play.
Sister. Na Maconzi ni.
Ada dia asem.
Kontu mkasa. Sister. Maconzi ni sakas Maconzi se.
Sansem mi ndie cheti mi ni munsem.
Ayo.
Masuma no abegina ase na chuchuchu wo ye dai. Sister.
Atu say.
Usman media maba. Na madam free eka say Sister Joan ama senior makonzi abo sa akwode your classmate no. Ena me na atie bi.
Ubu na sa akwode wo.
Just me nibu. Endu me so ye.
Penny la mamen ka asem chiro ben hwe ti. We are fine there. What you say? Na me school me buy my site. Me say John phone kwa na nam school. Me kwa me blood nigga. Me kwa me talk me kwa me nigga me chimbo le street to paint me no foku. Ne la bia fo adwen mama. Me feel wona me chona me buy na ma bebre na yada me. Ebi di me me na ebi frɛ from na mo bia down no so na empty.
When you win.
Say ni mu chi say ni ni pa wona me na de bia what we na wo say you John. Obi hu o ma down. But one of them munkum pimu timi nka asem na me teacher me be teacher am school timi nka last science me twa zero straight me mentua hwe o ma kima kana wa we 50 we 70 o hwe me no be ma me zero o science no man block
eh ade wa ye ni juju
so the one I show no wa me 100 wa abra ma ntro hwe but kind of correct na dey ba ko kan spend this money inside we paint me nyo hwe fu mu a timasna me ba timasna me no ni tamasna mo feel heavy. Oh.
See, I'm patrolling when you can't say campus and coffin now home. So, when I say school, I'm going to patrol.
Joan, they are mates in the crowd. So, and Namusun Tino, Macron's Yabosak. Make us sound who know me. Oh, best my boy, some girl, some. We will come cry now, mammy, to tin more room, and I do our best. We'll be seeing at the end. Boy, some nigga. Worry in today. We'll be school, my moon seeing at the end. Now, when nine some can now, my and ne, and your first and last will be doing. So I say, come on, son, and hey, see the news for my mamma today. It's them and I'm
what come up with this is just that.
Sinampa higher campus and say,
I represent your course for the months and make some woman who could to my pegging of Kunija who is now someone getting. Crash, I could be a deficit car. I see me on the door, one of them blue red you are. Once a miss on a flop, one. Send me the head. What happened to me? I'm afraid you're free now.
Pardon how Aden a day pan how Aden a would you do school one sir Aden day pan how
Aden no problem ni say
Who be Sam Aden
I see me busa or then what be Jama cause
from one ni boy you ma catch us several times say from one ni boy bibi anywhere cause wo mini ntem and that's one say me nene ejina ho no ma ye bibi anya na sesen anti wo ahwe bro with me bro boy no aya gina kwakoto hospital nti eyema wo ho eyema wo ho
there be akra no say yabono na me agina to hospital when a frau boy amanie ana say una wotie say yabono me agina to hospital Alonso
Oh bisame
how
makwanzi aden me ma me ne papa mo wo me ma wana ma me kan cho school mu na ye wo no obi efifie board ne bota ye ba ha no enti wo nipa ba ko na ogya honom no ontimi be hye ma brabo so ma me so ate ontimi be tete ma brabo ma me kra aden
Joan there be akra no se me bono se me kono so a ono no gina bia wo na so na gine ani ye homo nkura no na me de za ko pre no na me ya da me se me bono na me de za pre no wagya no wote se Messi a wadu 18 yard ma
enti wambo no
ho ofe onso umuna kra mpensi so umuna te se obi sede forget that great we no. You just say na me ma ujudi. Hey, Joan,
Share. Obi said there are millions of cities, millions of naira, sefa, pounds, euros, dollar, millions of sikebia wati dimbia at the radio so, TV so, for adverts. Yenye, no find hit one jinny din.
And a moment can't show or more no more pay. Me na me jina hano. Sa hating phone. I mean can't show say mempe.
Mompe.
Mempe.
What's on your day?
Me say sa hate la phone we dia mempe.
Hey.
And two mama men can't show.
Let me tell you something. All what Makonzi is doing is because of the love that he's having for you.
Tell him.
Can't you see he loves you?
Oh.
Do you know the number of girls who used to be with Makonzi? I mean, just relax, chill. So what you say? To forget to be BRA, Charlie, forget it.
Almost our girls no more done. Makonzi, I de who me so bad down. I don't know how me sa. My main can't show. I'm just asking with my catch several times, but I'm going to. And then my main can't show nothing. You say, "Jai me life for mommy." Na me see me impel. So what?
Hey, na me jama na me go for why? Ele ka de mazem we aye de. Hey, why am I no kwampo ba? Iyan komo yo de oni miza.
Boy, give we hey.
Dem afna yo, eh? Awu di agwa, eh? Azi, mo anyu wanda o.
A long pound.
Why long go me be twa no so am na say short.
Why would you do a school home? Then two problems on the airport. Say, Mamma, Cobun, and I catch us one penny. Go on, pen up. It doesn't know can sound. In a Macun's so no show a phone, sir. Ah, one your phone. No, who wants any dinner? I send a paddy in Tenerius and yes, I would do business on the what. China left money on Condona on energy now. I don't know when you're from a way. I say, we show it. And you think me, Makunzi. I tell him, and no poor get boy. Nasako, Naso thing, Cassachana wants it. Juan. They say, obey for the beer, Juan, and I Juan. Makunzi, just a woman who can't dinner yet to school. Don't make you a mudding, Papa. Your munjo mudding.
Next on Students of Today.
Hey! Huh? When is a higher SIC lab certificate?
Sister, at the time be a lanijay you watch on. Ah, fight big pow. Like you can't say, Madame, or Mummy, no can say like you.
You got the fight? Je m'appelle Jibou.
Juan, boy, issue me bisa several occasions, several times. Also, in issue. It is a winning issue. Makonzi bet me sorry. I call boy we abra one issue.
Follow me. Say we no only more cast on any better. Or better say, but him say, or course, you might have.
Say then I won't do it.
And the impulse of your number for me. I don't know.
Students of today. Gangsta. Aka. Ejuma ho ayenti a man for quick keys. Oh yeah, we be baby am simple. AKABENEZER. I don't know say so child the French. Nice one teda. I say we be like gone. Ti on ma no we konkon. On pe wo ba wa fon. Chele wo pe di enam wom. Da wo pe di enam wom. Oba go for wa jisku mana boso. Branch this why wanting to this young koso. And I'm for pa. I wanted to want them. Like it. What the students of today? Yeah, students of today.